Good afternoon, dear student. I am Rumana Ansari, faculty of Modern Group of Institution. Today I am going to explain the mathematical model in drug designing. This is the part 2. In part 1, I have explained some basic concept of mathematical model in drug designing. Today I am going to explain this in detail. So mathematical models turn out to be very useful. In the best case, the prediction of release, the kinetic before release system are realized. Measurement of some physical parameters such as drug diffusion coefficient and resorting to model fitting on experimental release data. Mathematical models are used to evaluate the kinetic and mechanism of drug release from dosage form. This is the first model, zero order model. Drug dissolution form doses that do not disaggregate the dosage form and release it. The drug slowly can be represented by the equation Q naught minus Qt is equals to KOT. K is a zero order release constant and T is a time period. This is the graph plotted between the cumulative percentage drug releases on y-axis and time on x-axis. First order model. This model is used to describe the absorption, elimination of some drug. Although it is difficult to conceptualize this mechanism on theoretical basis, the release of drug which followed the first order kinetics can be expressed by equation. This is the equation log Qt log Q naught minus K1T upon 2.303. Qt is the amount of drug release in a time t and Q naught is the initial amount of drug constant. This is the graph plotted between the log percent drug remaining versus time and application water soluble drug in Fronus. Higuchi model. This is the first example of mathematical model which is aimed to describe drug release from a metric system. Was proposed by the Higuchi in 1961. Model based on hypothesis that initial drug concentration in matrix is much higher than drug solubility. Drug diffusion takes place only one dimension. Drug particles are much smaller than system thickness. Drug diffusivity is constant and perfect sync conditions are maintained. This is the equation which describes the drug releases as diffusion process based on the Fick's law square root of time dependence. This is the equation to obtain the relationship. The application water soluble drugs and low soluble drug incorporated in semi-solid and solid polymer matrix. Graph is plotted between the cumulative percentage drug release versus time. Weibull model describes the 4 different dissolution processes equation. Here M is amount of drug dissolved, M is total amount of drug being released, and T is a time, and T is a time. A is a scale parameter to describe the time dependence, and B is the shape of dissolution curve progressions. Some applications useful for comparing the release property of matrix type drug delivery, and limitations are here. There is not any kinetic fundament and could only describe but does not adequately characterize the dissolution kinetic property of drug. There is not any single parameters related with the intrinsic dissolution rate of the drug. It is not limited use for establishing the in vivo and vitro correlation, and a graph is plotted between the log drug and release along with the time. The Higginson-Kroll model that describe or recognize that the particle regular area is proportional to the cube root of its volume. And here is the equation where the V naught is the initial amount of drug dosage form and Vt is the remaining amount of drug time. It describes the drug releases by the dissolution and consider the surface area and geometrical shape of dissolving entity. This model used to describe the release profile keeping in mind the diminishing surface of drug particle during dissolution. This is the graph between cube root of drug percent and remaining versus time. Cosmere-Papers model. Cosmere-Papers model is derived a simple relationship with described drug release from a polymetric system equation to find out the mechanism of drug release, and 60% drug release data were fitted in a Papers model. This is the equation for Papers model, and the application is generally used for analysis and release the pharmaceutical polymetric dosage form when the release mechanism is not well known or when more than one type of release phenomena could be involved. This is the graph plotted between the log cumulative drug release versus log time. In this model, n value characterize the release mechanism of drug. Here you can see in the table, 3 columns are here: release exponent, drug transport mechanism, and rate as function of time along with this value. Here the list of model that we have learned: mathematical model, zero model along with this equation, first order, Higuchi and Webule, Higson-Cronel, Cosmere-Papers, and power law. These are the model that we can use to calculate some equation, mathematical equation in drug designing. Conclusion. Hence this conclusion can be drawn that the in vitro drug release kinetic is necessary step to be done to study the drug release pattern from the dosage form. Graph obtained from the kinetic data state the efficiency of drug release from the dosage form. So this was all about the mathematical model used in drug designing. Thank you.